Have a good day, everyone. I'm Irene Sinisolas, Group 3, and my following members are Syra Kiet Bautista, Erica Haspio, Jessa Sarmiento, and Arjun Verania. And our research title is A Comparative Analysis of Ad Hoc and DIY Packages Based on Customer Satisfaction Experience. To complete this study properly, it is necessary to analyze the data collected to test the hypothesis and answer the research question. As already indicated in the preceding chapter, data is interpreted in descriptive form. So, in chapter na to is mag-comprise siya ng the analysis, a presentation, and interpretation of the finding of analysis resulting to this study. So, the analysis and the interpretation of data is carried out in one piece, which deal with the quantitative analysis of data. So, the table show the age, gender, travel frequency, and travel fund of the respondent. So, yung male natin is 37 and 11, which is 48 yung sumagot, and most of them are 18 to 25. So, yung meaning naman ng OT, FT, and IT, yung OT is occasional travel, frequent travel, and infrequent travel. Then the travel fund are 5,000 to 20,000, the 21,000 to 35,000, and then 36,000 to 50,000, and 51,000 and above. So, by age is 18 to 25, 26 to 40, 41 to 60, and 61 and above. So, based naman dito sa pangalawang table, nag-show naman siya ng mga respondent natin among the female respondent. So, mapapansin nyo na mas madami sumagot na female compare sa male. So, pinapakita dito sa dalawang table na to na yung female, sila yung mas madalas mag-travel or mag-asikaso ng mga travel packages compare sa mga male. And based din dito sa table na to is pinapakita dito na 18 to 25 yung mga madadalas mag-travel and occasionally, which is 27 out of 54 female who are in 18 to 25 years old na nagta-travel. And yung travel fund nila is makikita din natin na nasa 42 out of 54 ang sumagot sa 5,000 to 20,000. And then following siya ng 26 to 40, which is female, ang sumagot na female is 27, then occasionally 10 out of 27, then frequent travel is 2 out of 27, then 3 out of 27 is infrequent travel. So, yung fund naman nila dito is 20 out of 27 is 5,000 to 20,000, and then 3 out of 27, 21,000 to 35,000, and another 3 out of 27, 36,000 to 50,000 yung kanilang travel fund. So, dun naman balik ulit tayo dun sa male. Makikita natin dito na talagang compare sa female is mas konti yung sumagot sa mga male. So, ibig sabihin, hindi din sila madalas mag-asikaso ng mga travel packages sa mga travel agency. So, makikita din natin dito na 18 to 25 ulit yung mas madaming sumagot. So, bali, na dun sa age na yon yung mga madadalas na mag-avail ng travel package sa mga travel agency. Like, DIY na or yung mga ready-made na packages, which is yung ad hoc package. So, based naman dito sa kanilang travel frequency, makikita din natin na 26 out of 37 is occasional travel sila or occasionally sila nagta-travel. And then 7 out of 37 is frequent lang sila nagta-travel. And 4 out of 37 is infrequent. And kung makikita naman natin sa travel fund nila is 30 out of 37 is 5,000 to 20,000. So siguro, yung mga travel na to is talagang malalapit lang or sabihin na natin ng nasa local, pero pwede din naman siya sa international na mga naka-promo na mga ready-made na packages. So 6 out of 37 is 21 to 35,000, and then the last one out of 37 is 36,000 and above. So for statement, the problem naman, to determine the demographic profile of the respondent in terms of gender, age, travel, and funds. As you can see, sa ating gender, 64.9% are female and 35.1% is male. So this graph shows the gender range of the respondent. So the majority is 64.9 belongs to the 87 female respondent. So the next one is travel frequency. So this graph shows the travel frequency ranges of respondent. So the majority of 63.4 belong to the occasional travelers, and the 42 of the respondent were female, and the 27 respondent out of 42 are 18 to 25 years old. So this graph naman is nagsho-show siya ng age range natin. So yung majority ng vote dito is 67.9%, which is mga 18 to 25 years old siya. So 91 yung nag-respond ng 18 to 25, and then the respondent na 54 respondent out of the 91 are female. Most of the time is female talaga. And then sa travel fund naman, the majority of 74.6 belongs to the 5,000 to 20,000. So the 100 of the respondents were female who are in the age of 18 to 25, and the 64 respondent out of 100 are female again.
Hi, I'm Sarah Kit Bautista. I will discuss the different significance among the ad hoc package based on personalization. Number 1, this travel package enhanced my travel experience. This graph showed that 70.9% agreed that ad hoc package enhanced their travel experience. Meanwhile, only 22.4% strongly agreed, 6% strongly disagreed, and only 1% disagreed. Number 2, this travel package led to an increase in your loyalty to personalized travel package. This graph showed that 66.4% agreed that ad hoc package led to an increase in their loyalty to personalized travel package. Meanwhile, only 28.4% strongly agreed, 3% strongly disagreed, and only 2.2% disagreed. Number 3, this travel package contributes to creating memorable experiences. The survey results showed that 53% agreed that ad hoc package contributes to their memorable experiences. Meanwhile, only 41.8% strongly agreed, 4.5% strongly disagreed, and only 0.7% disagreed. Number 4, this travel package provides the freedom to choose your preferred accommodation options. This graph showed that 60.4% agreed that ad hoc package provides the freedom to choose your accommodation options. Meanwhile, only 29.9% of the respondents strongly agreed, 4.5% strongly disagreed, and 5.2% disagreed. Number 5, I will recommend this travel package to others seeking a personalized travel experience. The survey results show that 65.7% agreed that they will recommend ad hoc package to others seeking a personalized travel experiences. Meanwhile, only 27.6% of the respondents responded that they strongly agreed, 3% strongly disagreed, and 3.7% disagreed. Number 6. I am satisfied with this travel package. This graph showed that 63.4% of the respondents agreed that they are satisfied with the ad hoc package. Meanwhile, only 32.1% strongly agreed, 3% strongly disagreed, and 5.1% disagreed.
Good morning everyone, my name is Jessa and I will present the survey questionnaire. So, to determine the different significance among the ad hoc package based on the convenience. So, number 1, this travel package is convenient for creating a stress-free. So, this graph that 57.5 agreed that ad hoc package is convenient for creating a stress-free. Meanwhile, only 38.1% strongly agree and 3% strongly disagree and 1.5 is disagree. Number 2, this travel package is an enjoyable experience for tourists. So this graph showed that 59.7% agreed that ad hoc package is enjoyable travel experience. Meanwhile, only 33.6 is strongly agree and 3.7 strongly disagree and the 3% is disagreed. Number 3, this travel package provides clear and sufficient instruction for planning and organizing my travel trip. So this graph showed that 57.5 agree that ad hoc package provide clear and sufficient instruction for planning and organizing my travel. Meanwhile, only 35.8 strongly agree, 6% strongly disagree, and 0.7 disagreed. Number 4, this travel package provide a convenient option. So this graph showed that 61.9% agree and ad hoc package provide a convenient option for navigating and exploring the destination. Meanwhile, only 32.8% strongly agree and 3% strongly disagree and 2.2 is disagree. Number 5, this travel package provide a convenient option for managing my luggage during my trip. So this graph showed that 61.9% agree that ad hoc package provide a convenient option for managing my luggage during my trip. Meanwhile, only 32.1 is strongly agree, 2.2 strongly disagree, and 3.7 is disagree. To determine the different significance among the ad hoc package based on the simplicity. So number 1, this travel package arrangement lead to a more relaxing for tourists. So this graph showed that 67.9% that ad hoc package provide a convenient option for managing my luggage during my trip. Only 26.1% strongly agree and 6% strongly disagree. Number 2, this travel package is easier to understand. So this graph showed that 67.2% agree that ad hoc package is easier to understand. Meanwhile, only 27.6 strongly agree and 3.7% strongly disagree and 1.5 is disagree. Number 3, this travel package make it easy to manage my budget during the trip. This graph showed that 65.7 agree that ad hoc package make it easy to manage their budget during the trip. Meanwhile, only 29.1% strongly agree and 3.7 strongly disagree and 1.5 is disagree. Number 4, this travel package offer a straightforward approach to managing my budget during the trip. So this graph showed that 61.9% that ad hoc package offer a straightforward approach to managing their budget during the trip. Meanwhile, only 31.3% strongly agree and 5.2 strongly disagree and 5.1 is disagreed. Number 6, this travel package enhanced my satisfaction by organizing my trip. So this graph showed that 63.4% agree that ad hoc package enhanced the satisfaction by organizing my trip. So meanwhile, only 30.6% strongly agree and 4.5% strongly disagree and 1.5 is disagree.
Hello ma'am, have a good day. I'm Aura Jean Tolentino Verania. I'm here to present our survey questionnaire So to determine the different significance among the DIY package based on personalization, so here's the number 1. This travel package enhances my travel experience. This graph showed that 61.2% agreed that DIY package enhances their travel experience. Meanwhile, only 32.8% strongly agreed, 5.2% strongly disagreed, and 0.7% disagreed. Number 2, this travel package led to an increase in your loyalty to personalized travel packages. So this graph showed that 67.2% agreed that DIY package led to an increase in their loyalty to personalized travel packages. Meanwhile, only 25.4% strongly agreed, 6% strongly disagreed, and 1.5% disagreed. Number 3, this travel package contributes to creating memorable experiences. So this graph showed that 56.7% agreed that DIY package contributes to creating memorable experiences. Meanwhile, only 36.6% strongly agreed, 5.2% strongly disagreed, and 1.5% disagreed. Number 4, this travel package provides the freedom to choose your preferred accommodation option. So this graph showed that 53% agreed that DIY package provides the freedom to choose their preferred accommodation options. Meanwhile, only 41% agreed, 3% strongly disagreed, and 3% disagreed. Number 5, I will recommend this travel package to others seeking personalized travel experience. So this graph showed that 59.7% agreed that they will recommend the DIY package to others seeking personalized travel experience. Meanwhile, only 35.1% strongly agreed and 5.2% strongly disagreed. So number 6, I am satisfied with this travel package. So this graph showed that 64.9% agreed that they are satisfied with the DIY package. Meanwhile, only 29.1% strongly disagreed, 5.2% strongly disagreed, and 0.7% disagreed. So, to determine the different significance among the DIY package based on convenience, so here's the number 1. This travel package is convenient for creating a stress-free. So, this graph showed that 59% agreed that DIY package was convenient for creating a stress-free. Meanwhile, only 30% strongly agreed, 6% strongly disagreed, and 4.5% disagreed. Number 2, this travel package is an enjoyable travel experience for tourists. So this graph showed that 63.4% agreed that DIY package was enjoyable travel experience for the tourists. Meanwhile, only 29.9% strongly agreed, 4.5% strongly disagreed, and 2.2% disagreed. Number 3, this travel package provides clear and sufficient instructions for planning and organizing my travel trip. So this graph showed that 64.2% agreed that DIY package provides clear and sufficient instructions for planning and organizing my travel trip. Meanwhile, only 29.9% strongly agreed, 4.5% strongly disagreed, and 1.5% disagreed. Number 4, this travel package provides a convenient option for navigating and exploring the destination. So this graph showed that 61.9% agreed that DIY package provides a convenient option for navigating and exploring the destination. Meanwhile, only 29.9% strongly agreed, 4.5% strongly disagreed, and 3.7% disagreed. Number 5, this travel package provides a convenient option for managing my luggage during my trip. So this graph showed that 61.9% agreed that DIY package provides a convenient option for managing their luggage during their trip. Meanwhile, only 28.4% strongly agreed, 5.2% strongly disagreed, and 4.5% disagreed.
Good day, everyone. My name is Erica Remojas Pio. To determine the difference significance among the ad hoc package based on personalization simplicity. So, for number one, this travel package arrangement leads to a more relaxing for tourists. And this graph showed that 66.4% agreed that DIY package arrangements lead to a more relaxing for tourists. Meanwhile, only 25.4% strongly agreed, and 5.2% strongly disagreed, and 3% disagreed. This travel package is easier to understand. This graph showed that 59% agreed that DIY package is easier to understand. Meanwhile, only 34.3% strongly agreed, and 4.5% strongly disagreed, 2.2% disagreed. For number 3, this travel package makes it easy to manage my budget during the trip. This graph showed that 56% agreed that DIY package make it easy to manage their budget during the trip. Meanwhile, only 38.1% strongly agreed, 3.7% strongly disagreed, and 2.2% disagreed. For number 4, this travel package offers a straightforward approach to managing my budget during the trip. This graph showed that 62.7% agreed that DIY package offers a straightforward approach to managing their budget during their trip. Meanwhile, only 31.3% strongly agreed, 3.7% strongly disagreed, and 2.2% disagreed. So for number 5, this travel package provides a more satisfying experience of travel. This graph showed that 58.2% agreed that DIY package provides a more satisfying experience travel. Meanwhile, only 35.1% strongly agreed, 6% strongly disagreed, and 0.7% disagreed. So for number 6, this travel package enhances my satisfaction by organizing my trip. This graph showed that 51.5% agreed that DIY package enhances their satisfaction by organizing their trip. Meanwhile, only 41% strongly agreed, 4.5% strongly disagreed, and 3% disagreed.